Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change theme on Linktree. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Linktree is a service that makes it easy for users to share links on a single landing page conveniently and easily. This means the visitors can access a wide range of content through a single mail link. For example, if you are building an online business, then you combine Shopee, Tokopedia, Instagram, and TikTok shop links into a link tree so that customers can choose the shopping place that suits them best. On my previous video, I've shown you how to create your Linktree account, how to change the profile. But now, what if you feel bored with the theme? You want to change theme on your Linktree. It's very simple. So first we have to open our Linktree app. After that, from here, here's my first theme. This one. You can choose on the tree that's over here on your links. There is an option edit. You can just choose on that. Now you can choose on design. Tap on design. So here's my theme and my profile. You can change your theme by tapping on theme in here, and you can choose the theme that you want to set to your link tree. This one, for example, or maybe this one. You can choose it. For example, I will just choose this one. After you finish, you can tap on save. Now, here's the final look of your Linktree profile design. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change your theme on Linktree. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.